Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make fruit salad at school, only way. Gather a clean cutting board, a small knife allowed by school rules, an airtight container, and 3 or 4 types of fruit. Slice firmer fruit first, then softer fruit to avoid mushiness. Toss gently with a squeeze of lemon to keep color bright. Pack in single-serving portions, chill if possible, and enjoy a fresh, portable snack at school. Start by choosing fruits that travel well and hold texture when stored in a lunchbox. Combine apples or pineapple with berries and grapes for a mix of sweet, tart, and crunchy notes. Use citrus like lemon or orange to prevent browning and to add a bright flavor. Cut fruit into bite-sized pieces so it's easy to eat between classes. Pack a small fork or toothpicks for neat snacking on the go. If this video is helping you, please subscribe and like to support simple school snack ideas. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, grab Little Tree's Black Ice for a refreshing scent that pairs surprisingly well with fresh fruit vibes in a humorous way. You'll find the product link and extra deals in the description below. Thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. When assembling, slice fruit into uniform pieces for consistent texture and appearance. Layer firmer fruits like apples or pears at the bottom and place softer berries or banana slices on top to protect them. Add a light squeeze of lemon or a teaspoon of honey if you want extra flavor and preservation. Seal the container tightly and store it in a cool spot or insulated lunchbox to keep your fruit salad fresh and crisp until snack time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.